If you attempt this question on the board, you definitely obtain 3 results. That is to say, you get 3 answers for the value of t on the board. At the same time, I can also assure you that 99% of students will get this question wrong. Before you can solve this, I have 2 news for you. One is bad news and the other is good news. The bad news is that before we can solve this, we have to take note of 3 major identities in mathematics. While the good news is that I'm going to show you the identities right here. Before we can solve this question on the board, we have to consider 2 or 3 identities. Now the first identity is that, for example, if I have a raised to the power of 2 minus b raised to the power of 2, the result is always. The second identity is if I have a raised to the power of 3 minus b raised to the power of 3, this is the same as minus b in parentheses a squared plus ab plus b squared. The third identity is if I have a raised to the power of 3 plus b raised to the power of 3 in parentheses a plus b bracket with bracket open a squared minus ab plus b squared. Here are the 3 identities we have to take note of. And without this identity, it is impossible to obtain the right result from the question given to us. But I'm going to leave you at this point to attempt this question. I will get back to you in our next video. In the event where you are not able to solve it, I'm going to solve it. But if you can solve it, drop your answer in the comment section of this video.